Welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. I am your science teacher. Today I will teach you the first chapter of class 5 science. Is second part is topics is disease. Disease is very common things nowadays. All of you think in the minds that person is suffering from diabetes, that person is suffering from typhoid, that person is suffering from brain hemorrhage, others. You saw and you hear in your ears that the diseases, most of the people were suffering from diseases nowadays. Most of the people were survive according to take their medicine. So that's why if you want to read out from diseases, you should maintain a body healthy and fit. You should do exercise properly, eat balanced diets, food in your bodies, and eat proper nutrients, and eat a balanced diet, so that your body is away from the diseases. But today you think in your neighborhood or in your family also someone is suffering from diseases. So one question arises in the mind that what is disease? A disease is that condition of the body that cannot work properly. They are not able to go properly. There were some problem in the body. Their organs were lack of functioning well. So disease is very common nowadays. In school, suppose if any student have a conjunctive disease, all the person is suffering from conjunctive disease. So that type of disease is known as communicable disease. So the communicable disease are that kind of disease that can be prevented, that can be transferred from one person to another person. That disease is known as communicable disease. And once time I repeat again, the disease which is spread from one person to another person, that disease is known as communicable disease. Suppose there is a conjunctivitis, the eyes become red. If someone come in touch with you, he or she also suffering from conjunctivitis. Suppose if a person have a common cold, he sneeze in the classes, the virus goes inside his nose or heart, he is also suffering from diseases. Suppose you think today there is a familiar about coronavirus, COVID-19 also is spread from one person to another if you direct contact with each other. Suppose he is suffering from COVID-19, he sneeze and you can't use masks in your mouth, so it prevents it affect you. As lastly, you are also addictions of what? COVID-19 disease means coronavirus. So that's why if you wanted to read out from disease, you maintain your body very neat and clean. You take a regular bath at your homes. Use separate towels at homes. Don't use one towels to wash your body. And use separate soaps also. Means there is a cleanliness. If there is a cleanliness, cleanliness is the next to guidelines. So therefore you should wash your bodies regularly. Wash your hands 20 seconds in a proper way with a Dettol or antiseptics or sanitizers properly. And use good quality of clothes, just like wash your clothes properly. If you come outside from the market or other place, wash the clothes also. Take it at a time black bath also. Sanitize your hands also. Suppose you buy anything from the market, you wash the market at other place, outside the classes also sanitize also. That can prevent us from the condition of prevention of harmful diseases. Its name is coronavirus. There is no vaccines or today provides all the people who are suffering from now the coronavirus. In India, you see many 2 lakhs people where goes to increase what? Coronavirus. So that's why today all over the world people were suffering from coronavirus. Why? Because they neglect the negligence of what? Washing their mouths also, washing their body also. Don't wash their other substances, that's just like wash vehicles also, copy also, cloth also, masks also. So that's why you can prevent the diseases that can contact with you. So that's why you should wash your hands properly, wash your other body substance also, wash your clothes also regularly, and change your clothes also according to your needs. So that's why today to come to the points about disease. And disease is transferred from one person to another person. There is various way. First one is through infected food and water. Suppose your food, you drink stagnant water, or you drink a dirty remainous waters, you are suffering from jaundice also. Jaundice, cholera, vomitings. So this is also the water is also a waterborne disease. Cholera also, vomiting also. This means if a person is suffering from disease, he might be uses contaminated, infected foods and water. Now come to the points. Next is through air. Through air, Air is also a very communicable disease. Suppose someone sneeze, it goes to the other infected person. Is suffering from common colds also, flu also, measles also, and even if the infected person is suffering from coronavirus, it sneezes, it virus goes to your nose, and you also suffering from COVID-19 virus. Third is through insects. Suppose there is a food is opening in a opening food, housefly comes there and it sit in the foods, it become contaminated, it become food poisoning also. And suppose there is a mosquito, the names of mosquito Anopheles, and if Anopheles mosquitoes comes and bite you, you might be suffering from what disease is known as malaria. So use net also, use Odomos at your home, burn the coils also, known as molten coils. And fourth one is through direct contact. Suppose in a direct contact, if a person is suffering from measles also and other things, if I was directly contact with contact, a person is becomes persons as today you see that in a direct contact he is suffering from AIDS also, other forms of direct contacts. AIDS disease also prevails from there during the days with direct contacts. And through damaged skin, suppose your skin become cut down, damaged, you are suffering from tetanus disease, and the tetanus disease can swollen all and pus come in between the tetanus, and I think it's very dangerous for you. So that's why you can avoid the diseases don't throw infected food, and don't use your food in a very good condition. Covered food you should drink. Water, you can even boil the water 10 to 15 minutes. That's why all the germs of the water totally died or damaged. And through air, you should breathe good air conditions. Not go to the dirtiness places. Avoid stagnant water, because stagnant water wants to give to the bodies through contacts. Through direct contacts, you come to suffering from people who direct contacts, you are suffering from AIDS disease. Through damaged skin, if there is a cut downs in your skin, the tetanus comes in between them. Now there is a prevention of diseases. How can you prevent? Use clean water daily. Use boiling waters. Use RO waters today. That's why it is very good for the prevention of disease, and also use vaccines. In the early times of people have smallpox vaccines. It helps. So use vaccines and immunization of your body, and feed your immunity powers. So if you feed your immunity powers, use balanced diets also. Don't eat avoid fast foods like pizza, burgers, chow-meins. Avoid these eating habits. So that's why I think you should understand what is I am going to tell you. If you want to read out from disease, you should drink properly good waters. Don't eat contaminated food and foods and waters. Avoid go to the direct person. Please make a gap of between 1 meter distance also, to avoid today the so much familiar disease known as coronavirus. It only risks it to make a total 1 meter distance. Don't go to the crowded area. Avoid to go to the crowded. Stay at home. And don't think they go outside roaming here and there, because today so much 8,000 or 9,000 people daily comes with the COVID-19 positive cases. And there is a prevention also. Use polio vaccines also. Use vaccines. In the market there is vaccines also present in the medicals also. Government's medical you go to, there is a vaccines that provides us by the governments to avoid from many diseases. But there is no vaccine for coronavirus. The only way is to prevent the coronavirus. You should make yourself fit and healthy, and so that don't go to the crowded area, in the market area. So stay at home, be happy, and be healthy. That's why today's topic is about disease. I think it is totally finished. If you have any doubts, you can help me. We stay at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.